Sure. Hey, first of all, I'm rapping Batwali. They call this rap game Minangdali. This ain't no freestyle, funny Mali. That's why I came right back. I deal it jolly. I overflow, so good thing it stays dripping. Teramugesi, that's why this hoes tripping. That's why I be chilling in the studio cooking. And if it's too hot, get the fuck outside the kitchen, cause it's Zekit, all the way to Maggot. Tryna make this rap shit is faggy mali pocket. Too clean, you can tell by our chairs, puppet. Man, the money never sleeps, so we do this everything. So don't go dizzy, low peggy bar. Super clean, I see swag at my bar. Hey, I wanna get my flowers while I'm still alive. So for now, sing bamboo rose, no mumbali. I don't see all these niggas. Ngihlala ngisempantweni, otherwise ungifika kakhe mangabusa enhlanhleni. Gama lakhe tsukwamashu, so wangithinta usebhadini. Ngishade nelokishi, even isitobhi sami seringini. But the whole aim ukuthi sibhekelele oleli. So the whole day ngibeka isenti phezu kwelinye isenti. Ngifuna ukheshi, tshela ama-haters swabona late. And if they throwing shots, abenza show i-double gin and lemonade. Mina ngiblind unoshaya ngathi awuboni. And ngiyabhazi industry keep on my phone. Ngiphethe le throne bona bakhona, cause this rap shit ngishaw udlula isigubhu saseZion. This is why not so clock and monga call or check you wash. My lines are super dope, ukudlula intwane overdose dash. They tryna step into my shoes, abazi ibhadu yami stash. Still keeping my power circle while in busy fussy black.
Gabi now isikhathi sami ngidlala ngamabhasi e-anarchy thuma izintsha zakho la ngathi abasazi ubana lahle ekasi ukudidiseka nyani imali isikasi sacabanga unyaka siqala nje before kuphakama iglass and sauce for ukuthi sayibambile noma ishisa injalo kwala sihleke isibalo samarepha njalo imele ibhala sindawo futhi angeke sihluleke sikokoda ngemsebenzi yethu kwampura siyoze sivulelwe it's okay baba izintsha zegame baba kuhlangene le khombi yakhomba ubhayisikele baba imqonde nekho nelisuke ekujuleni baba udrophelwa ama-flows atsopa usuku semvuleni baba ingane phela kuthina sidlala nayo utshela ubani ukuthi ufethe itakalani umngani wayo ejavela igqomo izinto zihamba ngolayo nwabo sokuthi uzobucwebe ngesigubhu sibaphuca ishayini yabo.
When I heard rap music for the first time, something so amazing, it was love from the first rhyme. Took my pens, papers, erasers and started writing at the ciphers at net. I thought I'd seen some rappers fighting. Look, my rhyming was too fly, ambition was too high. Had to find my wetlands cause the desert was too dry, nigga. My rhyming was too fly, ambition was too high. Had to find my wetlands cause the desert was too dry. Shout out to Mia Munja cause my boy's doing so great now. Johannesburg, we loving him, he's almost there with the greats now. I'm still here with Anaki and we trying to get this cake up. Keep my ears shut from these lames that's faker than makeup. This is the dream that rapping these words has went and brought us. Dudes is having enough money now to raise their sons and daughters, but we don't follow orders. It's what this life has taught us. We at the coast making love to these girls from across the borders. Success is just too high, and I'm too high off of this purple. It's still Ramon Aten, I'm the titan that looks like Urkel. I'll admit, they ain't calling me champ, but I'm at the winner's circle. I jumped through the loops and looked ahead, I ain't seen no hurdles. My rhyming was too fly, ambition was too high. Had to find my wetlands cause the desert was too dry, nigga. My rhyming was too fly, ambition was too high. Had to find my wetlands, the desert was too dry.
Khuluma abantu kabi kodwa makushiwo kuwena yazwela mina izinto esengenzizwe ngami zingenza ngihleke ngedwa ngoba ngishisa kakhulu akusondeleke eduze kwami uzongikhwezela mawungibuka ngixhaphozi kodwa mawudoba njadlela animyeka khulume amabhasi mina ngidilive into enza iy'shosha zisukume someni ibhasi ngathi uhulumeni banye bathekasa kusaphumeli ngoba mongifisela ukuthi angikhuphuke mina ngathi asisukume imina kuphela owazi ngempilo yami okunye kufuna wena wangibuka wangeyo omkhulu bathi ngidlozi alidelela izini impela laba esikhulumayo manje awutolikele izinto zabo zomiso kwalengane abayicela maqede bahlele bamba nayo iflow iphela shuthi ngamele uthule ngoba kuyazwakala nasemlomeni ukuhlupheka sina beswela ungeke ungizonxele manje kumina ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni ukubeka esinye esikhona masiphela
Bikindi anakhelethi BT kuhlehla ufisho bhikinini basukela inyoka emgodini yasempini seniphethe nini nama-flow enu angasicwilisa ngakofiki ningaphiki nibhizi ngiphuphiswa yimpintshi chedu dropha nini bese nithi peni angisalithindi mesakwekhishilo lo 16 uzongishiya ngabhelieve mafaka ngiwagivi ozongimele usake eswini ngithi lawa ama-stats akusanabo lane ngawo bathini T Kadazole malabe ngina kunamaza mzomhlaba Dedazole ngoba abukema masaba solo mgode wotasha Buye ngamadlasa ngiyakhala futhi lendeke ngedadla Manje kumawasa ziyakhala flow umuzuzu wakha Angithi wawuluku ngibelesele njalo manje bebedlala i-track yethu bayaliskiphe lakho ivesi akusizanga noma imakho icwiliseka iswasho sorry zalo check this out nama body bags danko